My name's Nathan Zielinski. I'm an intern at Martarano Engineering Incorporated. Something I do around here is work on AutoCAD and also just all around the office type of work. I enjoy it a lot. I enjoy being here in the engineering environment and also around nice people. So Martarano Engineering is a plumbing, electrical, and mechanical firm. We basically do plans and send it out to the construction workers and they can work on it as well. It's an overall company that just works with the construction companies and helps them get the job done. This internship has impacted me a lot this year because it's given me more thought of the field that I wanted to go to, and doing all this and seeing what the actual field is like with all the mechanical engineering that they do here at this company, it's given me a thought saying, yes, it is difficult, but it is something that I'm willing to challenge myself on. So I think that a student should participate in the honors internship program because, one, it gives them an overall thought of what they want to do in the future. It helps them as a student build off of what they already enjoy, and it also gives them more time at any type of internship that they're at. It gives them more hours and it pushes them to be a better person and contribute more at that internship. My favorite part about the internship is engaging with different types of people in the office, whether it's like Angelo himself or Andrew Gallagher. I'm just working with people to get the job done, and I enjoy that a lot.
Nate he comes in every day with a smile on his face, so he's very engaging with the rest of the staff that's here. He really takes pride in what he does in the office, so he's been a great asset to have here as an intern.
My name is Nate, and I'm very thankful for the Wilson Internship Program.